Gita is coming towards us. It's been through Tonga, and there police have extended the curfew in the capital as the country continues its clean-up. It's an overnight curfew. Gita made landfall there on Monday. Tuesday, flattened Parliament, destroyed nearly 200 homes, a lot of homes severely damaged. RNZ Pacific reporter Koru Vakauta and visual journalist, Koru Vakauta and visual journalist Richard Tinderlin have been out in Tongatapu today.
4 days after Cyclone Gita, and authorities are still struggling to get supplies to those who most need it. We followed a convoy of 8 trucks manned with emergency personnel as it wove its way to the northeastern districts of Tongatapu. Half of the villages that need assistance are still waiting, with concerns already expressed about the speed of the distribution. Aid's been handled twice. It's dropped to the town officer, who is then seen as the person appropriate to distribute to those in need. A few kilometres up the road from the drop-off point, we meet a family in TALA'LASI who had no roof on their house and was still waiting for help. Kalote Leao says something to keep his family dry is a must. What we need is clothes to wear and stuff to sleep on. All the stuff in the house is already damaged. That's all we need, clothes and something to sleep on. We drive further up the road to Talafuao and meet Lose and Tamani Kata, who have lost everything and so far have only received tools and cooking utensils.
Many things we need, foods, our kids' clothes, but especially our house.
Back in town, the clothing store Asena Tonga manages is closed for business. You hope to get back in 1 month? Can you still sell some stock, or you lost everything?
Lost everything.
Asena is relying on what she calls offer or love of her family and friends to get the shop back on its feet. They're selling crops to contribute to the repairs and also volunteering their time to help. She's aiming for a month to get back into business, and with that kind of support, could bet against her. From Nuku'alofa for Checkpoint, I'm Koru Vakauta.